This video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the ransomware called Byya. Byya is the ransomware that is the part of the DJVU ransomware family. This particular ransomware is called Byya is because it encrypts the files and does not allow the customers to use these files anymore. The ransomware actually tells its victims to pay the special ransom for file recovery. This video is the demonstration of what this ransomware does with the files. So you can clearly see that before the ransomware attack, definitely you are able to open the files without troubles. However, due to certain existing vulnerabilities in the security of the specific computer, this ransomware may be easily injected into the device. Then pretty soon you may realize that something bad has happened with the files and that you cannot access the files anymore. Typically, this occurs after customers restart their computers. They realize that this special Byya extension has been added to the files, and it is not possible to use such files anymore. This particular ransomware, as I said, belongs to the DJVU ransomware family. Every time it tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom, and every time, by the way, the ransom amounts to $980 US. So these are the results of the ransomware attack. You try to open the file and you get a message mentioning that Windows cannot open this type of file with the Byya extension. Removing the extension manually doesn't fix the issue. First thing we recommend you to do is to check the task manager. If you can open the task manager, it's very good because some ransomware infections even block the task manager. If you find any suspicious processes here, right-click on them and end their task to stop the further file encryption. We also recommend you to remove this particular ransomware with the help of reliable security program called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, download the software, install it, and then begin researching your computer with its help. So the program is initially in the trial mode, only the quick scan option is available. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program will first of all update its anti-malware database. Then it will begin scanning and researching and investigating your system. So then at the end of some time you would see the summary of all the threats which were revealed. While the scanning is taking place, please pay attention to the feature called Anti-Ransomware in Combo Cleaner. This feature is the part of the premium license only. You may add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. But this feature, as I said, is the part of the premium license only. However, Combo Cleaner also works very well in terms of detecting threats like adware, browser hijackers, fake system optimizers, unwanted browser extensions, pop-ups, and other threats. So you need to wait a little bit until the scanning is completed to see the full summary of all the threats that were revealed during the scan. And then at the end of the scan, you'll see the information about threats, about their location on your system, and we do recommend that you upgrade to premium. This is the best way to keep your files safe and secure. And you will find more detailed guide in the description for the video on how to remove this Byya ransomware from your system.